Alright, today is August 11th, 2024, and we're going to check the exhaust leak on the 2006 Honda Accord after we welded and wrapped it. There was a leak back here. That's looking pretty good. Right there. And there was a lot of welding on this side, trying to make this go away. This weld looks good. Okay, let's go to the front. That looks good. Alright, that looks good. Let's check on any other exhaust leaks. Alright, so far so good. All the welds are holding up. Okay, done. Now just back to bleeding the brakes, adjusting the head brakes, and we should be good.